Are you tired of spending precious time and effort on juicing your favorite fruits and vegetables? Look no further, as the Znoav juicer machine is here to revolutionize your juicing experience. With its powerful 600W high-speed motor, this juicer can extract juice from whole fruits and vegetables in just 5 seconds, making it the perfect appliance for those hectic mornings when you need a quick glass of freshly squeezed juice to kickstart your day. This Znoav juicer machine offers 3 different speeds to cater to the softness or hardness of your ingredients. The low speed, ranging from 12,000 to 18,000 RPM, is perfect for delicate foods like oranges and strawberries, ensuring gentle extraction without compromising the nutrients. On the other hand, the high speed, ranging from 18,000 to 27,000 RPM, is designed for tougher ingredients such as carrots and pineapples, effortlessly extracting every drop of juice. Additionally, the zero pause function allows you to stop the juicer at any time, giving you complete control over the juicing process. One of the standout features of the Znoav juicer machine is its exceptional juice yield. Equipped with a 304 stainless steel high-density filter and an anti-corrosion multi-head blade, this juicer ensures maximum extraction, providing a 30% higher juice yield compared to other centrifugal juicers. This means you can enjoy more juice from the same amount of produce, allowing you to savor the full flavor and nutritional benefits of your favorite fruits and vegetables. With its 3.5-inch large food chute, the Znoav juicer machine eliminates the hassle of pre-cutting your ingredients. Simply clean and cut your fruits or vegetables into smaller pieces, and the spacious chute can accommodate them easily. Even small apples can be juiced whole, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Cleaning up after juicing is a breeze with the Znoav juicer machine. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and convenient. The juicer's compact design and easy-to-clean features ensure that you can enjoy your juice without the worry of a tedious cleanup process. Safety is a top priority with the Znoav juicer machine. The cutter head and filter are made of food-grade stainless steel, guaranteeing the purity and safety of your juice. The lid and juice cup are crafted from Bpa-Free Materials, ensuring that your juice remains free from harmful chemicals. Rest assured that you are investing in a reliable and trusted appliance. The Znoav juicer machine is OL certified, ensuring its compliance with strict quality and safety standards. Moreover, the company provides 24-hour online service and a 24-month after-sales guarantee, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction and support. Upgrade your juicing routine with the Znoav juicer machine and experience the ultimate convenience, speed, and high juice yield it offers. Start your day on a healthy note with a glass of fresh, nutrient-rich juice made effortlessly at home. Embrace a healthier lifestyle and enjoy the countless benefits of homemade juice with this exceptional juicer.